Hello everyone. Today let's see between operator in SQL queries. The between operator is same as value greater than or equals to specifying the lowest value and value or less than or equals to specifying the highest value. It is also used with where to specify the condition in SQL query. The basic syntax of SQL is uh, S- uh, of between operator in SQL query is select the column name from table from which we have to extract the column, where the column name and then between the lowest value and highest value. This we will be seeing with example as well. We have to also note that it can be used with dates as well, but we have to keep in mind that the format of date should be in ISO 8601 standard format, which is year, month, and date. Let's see between operator with example as well. Suppose I have a table name employees. I only want to see two columns here, employee number and first name. And I have to also see that employee numbers are between 10005 and 10010. So I will specify condition here using between operator where the column name employee number and then between the lowest value of employee number 10005 and 10010. Suppose I want to see only employees whose employee number is greater than or equals to 10005 and lower than 10010. Once I execute it, then I get all the values between or equals to 10005 and less than or equals to 10010. I can use here order by as well on employee number. Suppose I want it in descending order, so I can use this as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.